I'm gonna tell you something right now. We had to go buy this rib rack. Freaking don't buy it. It's from Academy. Do not go buy this rib rack. And a couple things about this rib rack. All right, so the ribs that were on the outsides are doing better than the ones on the insides. The inside ones didn't smoke as much, and we're having to cook those a little different. It's the outside ones. The outside ones are papas. The inside ones, bam bams. One of them so undone, we're just gonna leave it unwrapped. Sitting over here. The ribs that were on the ends of this rack are ones like this. The ones in the middle are ones like this. We're not gonna use that rack no more. It's down. We want them all to look like that. Let's see what we got right here. I'm trying to use that rib rack to get them all in there. I don't know if I really like the ribs being twisted like that, but we're gonna let it go. So that's what we got. All right, we're sitting at 2:24. What are we, 2 hours in? An hour and a half? All right, let's take a look. Check it out. Look at the meat. Got 4. Yeah, we got a ways to go. Look how pretty they are. First time cooking on a Traeger, and it's been pretty easy. Okay, I did notice that the ones that were on the outside of that rack actually did better. They were more falling apart than the ones in the middle, so
the rack
we're just
needs
cooking.
another 2 cross parts.
We're just experimenting with that Traeger, and we had so many racks, we just decided to use the rib rack. Remember, this is one that has Uncle Steve Gator Shake on it. Put that on there real quick. You get lucky to have about 3 racks of ribs, maybe 4, out of 1 bag of brown sugar. All right, y'all, check out those beef ribs. Check out the bones, yeah! And look at that, can you see the ring on it? Yeah.
Papatexas rocks! If you haven't subscribed to him, you need to now!